Mago! It is I, Manong Jireh, back at it again with 10 reasons why something is cool, mga kaunggoy. And ito, super duper special ang topic natin ngayon. It is to pay tribute. It is to pay tribute sa ating mga superheroes. Hindi sila nag-wear ng capes, pero they ride a 3-wheeled vehicle. 10 reasons why tricycle drivers are cool, and that's the bottom line. Reason number 1, accessible transportation. Kahit saang kanto, kahit saang iskinita, makakakita kayo ng mga tricycle drivers. Like, pwede kayo magpahatid sa kanila ng specific addresses. Dito lang sa Pilipinas meron yan. Kung saan pwede ka ihatid sa mismong harap ng bahay ninyo. Alright? Isn't that cool? Isn't that convenient, ladies and gentlemen? Reason number 2, malaking ambag sa lipunan. Kung wala sila, late tayo lahat. Here they are. They are there for you. Nandyan sila para sa inyo. Nandyan sila para ihatid kanila sa kung saan nyo gusto at bawasan yung walking time ninyo, mga kaunggoy, para hindi kayo super duper pagod. Ito kasi sabi kasi ito ng papa ko eh. Nung OFW yung papa ko, ang hirap daw maglakad, nakakapagod daw kasi nga wala daw, ano tawag doon, walang tricycle sa Malaysia. Dito lang sa Philippines merong tricycles, and that's the bottom line, only here in the Philippines, Mago. Reason number 3, mabilis sakyan. Kaya ang gagawin nyo na lang, yuyuko kayo, upo, bam! By the way, mga kaunggoy, medyo nakahubad daw ngayon ang init eh. Reason number 4, masipag at matyaga sila. It don't matter what weather, it don't matter, you know, kung gaano kalayo. Sa lahat ng mga nakita kong mga peoples, mga kaunggoy, yung mga tricycle drivers, isa sila sa mga porsigidong sumikap. Magsumikap. Basta yung mga tricycle drivers, isa sila sa mga porsigidong magsumikap, no? Reason number 5, ladies and gentlemen. Trending ngayon, equals views itong video na ito, equals, you know, ad revenue, ladies and gentlemen. Ano? Reason number 6, mga kaunggoy. Maraming tricycle drivers ang tumutupad ng pangarap ng mga anak nila. Itong reason na to, mga kaunggoy, medyo ano to eh, medyo ginaya ko to. Actually, ginaya ko to sa, nakalimutan kung saan post ko yung nakita, mga kaunggoy, or may YouTuber na nagsabi nun. Pero it went like this, parang ito yung sinabi nila, hindi man naabot ng mga tricycle drivers ang pangarap nila, pero dahil sa pagsumikap nila, natupad nila ang mga natagdong pangarap ng mga anak nila or ng mga family members nila or whatever. Basta nakalimutan ko kung saan post yun, pero kung mahanap ko man ulit, ilalagay ko dito. Kung hindi ko man mahanap, pasensya na. Pasensya na sa nag-post nun or nagsabi nun na. Basta i-comment down below nyo kung makita nyo man yun yung post na yun or yung YouTuber na nagsabi nun. Saan ko ba nakita yun? Basta nakita ko yung somewhere sa social media, pero napakalupit nun. Another reason why you should salute, you know, our tricycle drivers, right? Reason number 7. Ito, first hand ko to naranasan. Humble ang karamihan. Maraming mga tricycle drivers na, alam niyo yun, mga humble, mabait, madaling kausap, madaling pakisamahan, madaling tropa-tropa, blah blah blah, whatever. Yung kapitbahay naming tricycle driver dati, let me tell you this, ladies and gentlemen, he is the coolest mofo in the history of mankind. He's very cool, he's very awesome. I love him. I miss him, damn it. Super humble na mga kaunggoy. Basta, the bottom line is, ang daming mga tricycle drivers na super humble. Speaking of humble, let me tell you this, ladies and gentlemen. In life, pag humble kayo, yung blessings, it's gonna rain down on you. And that feels good. Kasi pag hindi kayo humble, at naging tulad kayo nito, oh shit, shit's gonna go down. Reason number 8, mga kaunggoy. Ito, favorite ko to eh. Yung amoy ng gas, pag nagpapagas sila, it feels good. Like, alam niyo yun, nagpapagas yung mga tricycle drivers. And, nandun kayo sa sidecar ata nila. Tapos, pag magpapagas sila, amoy nyo. At yung amoy ng gas. And then, bago! It's like the other end of the galaxy. It's like you're traveling the universe pag ginaamoy nyo yun. And reason number 9. Unlike some people, they love everybody. They love their family. They love their children. They love the children. They love the old people. They love all kinds of people. They love doing the charity. They love their tricycles. They love everybody. The bottom line is they know how to love. Except this, whoever this is, he doesn't know love. Because if you truly love people, hindi ka mang tatapak ng ibang tao. Oh, shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Reason number 10. Perfect attendance ako dahil sa service kong tricycle driver noon. High school pa ako, nakalimutan ko anong grade, kung grade 9 or grade whatever, 8, blah blah blah, nakalimutan ko kung anong grade ako noon. Hindi lang perfect attendance, mga kaunggoy. Hindi ako nalilate. I never late. I never hibernate. You wanna know why, mga kaunggoy? Because all tricycle drivers are never late. They never hibernate. They love everybody. So yeah, malaking saludo para sa mga tricycle drivers here in the Philippines. And I love all the tricycle drivers here in the Philippines. You people are awesome. You people are cool. Hustle, loyalty, respect. And that's the bottom line because Manong Jireh said so. Like, comment, share, subscribe, mga kaunggoy. And kung tricycle driver ang ama nyo or lolo nyo, please give them a hug at sabihin ninyo sa kanila, look them dead in the eye, look them straight in the eye, no? At sabihan nyo sila ng thank you for your service, thank you, ganon, thank you, salamat, or whatever, basta yun. Or kung may kapitbahay kayong tricycle driver, sabihan nyo sila ng thank you, or whatever. Shoutout po pala kay Roblen Gerson. Sana tama yung pronunciation ng pangalan mo, pre. Nice idol, more videos pa po. More videos in the future, Lara Jawin. Paglipat namin ng bahay. Oh my God, sana makalipat na kami. I'm dying right here.